No, no. So please, honor your commitments to Boss One Teaching, and of course, yeah, join this. No, this is something that would probably apply to both Bossman Digital Media and here. So again, two birds, one stone, right? Since it's applicable to both, why not do it here? So here's a question I'm going to put here. It's about data plans, right? For Flow and Digicel, or either or, right? So how much credit would you need if you need 4,500 credit for like a unlimited data plan? How would that work? What would that look like? If it were presented in a maths question, what would that look like? All right, so hopefully this makes sense. So let's read. Okay, so where was I now? So that's what this question would look like, right? So hopefully we got a good enough look at it, right? So how much actual Jamaican dollars would we need to purchase 4,500 worth of credit for a 30-day unlimited data plan? And of course, this is applicable to either Digicel or Flow. So what would this look like if we were doing it? Now, from the looks of things, what we're going to do is focus on the rate at first. And then, of course, they asked how much Jamaican dollars we would need. So that is what is going to be our unknown, right? That's going to be the unknown. So if that is our unknown, automatically we can just put the box on the right just to save ourselves a little bit of time. Now, the 4,005, where would we put that? Well, it is in call credit, so we might as well put that. So we might as well put that right there. And the rule that I have is that when the box is on the right, and of course, number 1 has to be on the left for this to be true. So when number 1 CC is equal to $1.25 GMB, and the box is on the right, we multiply the number below by the number on the right above the box. So hopefully that's a little bit more layman's terms, right? So we're going to multiply 4,500 by $1.25. And in this case, we can say 45 times 100. And if we multiply 100 by $1.25, we'll get 125. So really and truly, we can multiply 125 by 45, and that will give us our answer. So yeah, that's the number right there. I mean, sure, we could prove that we could do this, but I think we know how to multiply quite competently, yeah? So really and truly, the whole point of this is to say that whatever amount of credit that you need, if you need 3,800, 3,725, whatever you want to call it, whatever the rate they say it is, you take that number, multiply it by $1.25, and it gives you the amount of Jamaican dollars you would need in order to purchase that amount of credit for your data plan. Alright, so yeah, that's it. I mean, unless you already had, I mean, the whole point is finding this over here, right? If you had this and you were asked to find what amount of credit would you purchase, you know what? Next time I will do that. Next time I will say, let's say for instance, what if we put a certain number over here and we'll ask ourselves, how much call credit could we purchase with that amount of money? I could do that in the next video. So again, you know what? Thanks for watching. And as I say on Bossman Digital Media, honor your commitments. And again, thanks for watching. And I'll see you around. That's it, guys. That's it.